What's up guys, I'm Dr. Gaming. So inside of today's video, we're going to be checking out the realistic add-on. So I know I've actually posted a video earlier and I usually don't like post videos 2 times in one day. This actually be, I actually will be posting 3 videos, I guess in one day if like, okay no, I'm pretty sure 2 o'clock doesn't count. I think so, what? I really don't like the classic Minecraft like Pocket Edition form. Like the only one I really like is the classic because it's way more better than Pocket Edition. So just go to classic and boom. There we go. Let's see. Let's grab the pig. Let's see. Okay, let's grab the pig. The wolf. I guess polar bear. Let's go right here. Okay, let's do a cow, chicken, parrot, rabbit, I guess llama, not horse, not donkey, not mule. Oh, let's do skeleton, let's try zombie too. Let's do... Alright, yep, I'm actually gonna try husk. Let's do magma cube. Oh yeah, an iron golem. Let's go ahead and grab the iron. Then... here we go. So... Alright, so this is actually gonna be really cool. Oh yeah. I cannot forget the, squid. Let's see. Oh, forgot about that. I don't know why, but that actually keeps popping up for some reason. I just kind of like it. Okay. Oh god, no! Mr. Skellebones is dying. Okay, let's go ahead and go spawn the mobs over under this tree. Okay. Yo, look at this. This guy has all the cool details. He has an arrow holder. Yo, let's try a llama. Yo, the llama doesn't look so bad itself. Yo, I wonder if that's... Yo, we can still ride him. But for some reason we can't control him. Let's try rabbit. What? Okay, so the rabbit kind of looks the same. Okay, so the rabbit kind of looked the same, but like, it has way more different features. Okay, will you let me? Okay, yeah. Okay, what the flip? Okay, what about the parrot? Okay, it's still the same. Chicken. Yo! It looks like an actual chicken. Yo, this is the most best add-on a guy could ever ask for. Look at it. I can make chicken nuggets out of this little thing. Yo, this is one bad A cow, dude. Look at the tail. It has the, you know what? It has the, I think, yeah, the horns has always been on there. Yo, it literally has a giant hump on the back. Yo. Well, let's try polar bear. Okay, polar bear has no new features. Let's go switch him out with the mag cube. Yo. It looks like an actual... What? Look like actual slime. Yo. This is a... Bro, this is a one cool add-on. Okay, basically, if we're gonna add-on, it's basically really a resource pack. But I just like to call these little things add-ons. Okay, new feature. Puppies attack skeletons. But yeah, there's what? Yo, all the animals are literally attacking the wolves. Where'd the other wolf go? He must have really been going at it. He literally wanted that rabbit. He chased it so far. He disappeared. Oh wait, I see him. I see him. Okay, next up we have the Porky. We have this fantastically cool looking pig. What the heck, you? Alright, guys. I'm actually look at his ears. Look at this pig's ears. He literally has like a 3D little popped out little tail. Hold on, wait. Resume. Gonna make this the world spawn. Okay. Yeah. Look at this little flappy. Like they don't actually flap. They're actually 3D. So I'm gonna switch you out with a zombie. Let's go ahead and go back over here under the tree. Wait. Oh wait, you're not a zombie. You just like your what's name has the same appearance as a zombie. Yeah, your horse is way more ladder, you little Is his head literally tilted to the side? What the flip, yo? He looks like an actual zombie with his head tilted to the side. Wait, I wonder if the what's the name over here has his head tilted to the side. No, just zombies. Okay, let's try the house, cause the house can actually survive in the day. Pow pow. Yo, okay, it's really not that much of a feature, but all you guys can actually see is just his hair tilted to the side, makes like easily making him look like an actual zombie. So let's go ahead and pop in the squid. Okay, let me just go over here where there's water. What the heck? Look at this little. Yo, this is. I can't believe this squid looks like a flippin' it looks like an actual squid. There you go, little guy. Yo, this is the most best day ever. They should literally add these features inside the aquatic update. Like the brand new update. I have no idea when it's gonna be out. So last but not least, we have the iron golem. Let's go ahead and build this little guy. Well, really big. Okay. So he really has no new features. I thought he did. But let's go ahead and see what else has any new features. Ooh, the ocelot. Okay, so we got the ocelot in hand. We have the blaze. Okay. We have the choker. Okay, we're gonna have the magma cube and dynamite. Replace you with that. Okay, let's just go with one guardian. Okay. Oh, yeah, we gotta get both spiders. Let's go with the zombie pig man. And what are you? Stray. I really don't want to do this stray because okay. Wither skeleton, keep you up here. Silverfish, I guess. Enderman, main one. Creeper. Wait, did I do a creeper? No, I don't think so. And let's try turtle. Oh, gosh. Okay. Blaze. No new features. Okay. Shoka has a couple of new features. He has these little spikes on him. I'll see you, little guy. Let's see. We have... No. Go with the okay. Endermite, no new features. What the? Oh, Guardian. Okay, yeah, you already did squid. Zombie pigman. Still no new features yet. Switch, 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 switch. Okay, we just switched everything. Let's go with the turtle. Still same features. I think all the no way. Look at his long legs. Okay, I'm pretty sure I already spawned one over here though. I cannot remember. I literally have really bad memory. Okay. That was you. Alright, Mr. Enderman, you have no new features, so there's no need for you. Silverfish Dale. No, still look the same. And, okay, Wither Skeleton literally has arrows on his back. I have no idea why. He probably keeps his sword up in there. So, yeah, that'll be the end of today's video. Hope you guys, video, and if you guys already haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. See you guys very soon. Goodbye.